1,100. Away they go. Siklag from the outside. Summit Master. Storm Signal is racing on the outside. My Lucky One down on the inside. Then comes Landed Visa. Reporter Angelic Boy, Senior G, and Sunday Street is the early trailer. Number 2, Summit Master, followed by Siklag. Storm Signal is racing in third from the outside. My Lucky One is running by the alongside Reporter Angelic Boys. Landed Visa also moving up. Summit Master, Siklag, Storm Signal on the outside, and by the rally Smile Lucky One, Reporter, Landed Visa also rushing up as they race the final corner is Storm Signal from the outside, and on the further outside is Angelic Boys. Landed Visa down on the inside is Siklag. Is Storm Signal on the outside is Angelic Boys, but still Storm Signal, Angelic Boys on the outside, Storm Signal, Angelic Boys, and finally Storm Signal close with Angelic Boys. My Lucky One took third, Landed Visa, and Senior G.
At yun na